Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll unveil an effortless way to enjoy IPTV Smarters on your Firestick. Why pay when you can have amazing IPTV content for free? Let's get started with just a few steps. First, ensure your Firestick is connected to Wi-Fi and ready to explore endless entertainment possibilities. Navigate to Settings on your Firestick menu, preparing to enable essential options for the process. Select My Fire TV, then click on Developer Options for further necessary configuration steps. Enable apps from unknown sources to allow third-party app installations, crucial for our next steps. Return to the home screen and open the search bar to download a specific tool we will need. Search and install the Downloader app for an easy installation process. A must for this setup. Once installed, launch Downloader and proceed to enter a special URL for IPTV Smarters setup. Start the download process and wait briefly as your state-of-the-art IPTV experience takes shape. After downloading, proceed to install IPTV Smarters, making sure to allow all necessary permissions. Once installation completes, open IPTV Smarters and get ready to start your streaming journey. Configure your IPTV Smarters with playlists and channel options tailored perfectly to your interests. Enhance the experience by visiting 2tv.store for more engaging IPTV content and great deals. With IPTV Smarters now on your Firestick, explore an infinite universe of captivating shows and more. Thanks for joining us. Like, subscribe, and keep exploring affordable entertainment with 2tv.store.